What's the meaning of chuffed? Chuffed. Chuffed.
Chuffed. Chuffed. The word chuffed is a colloquial term in British English that means feeling pleased, proud or delighted about something. It is often used in informal situations to express happiness or satisfaction. The term comes from the northern dialect of English, where it originally meant swollen with pride. Nowadays, it's commonly used to describe a sense of achievement or excitement, such as being chuffed with receiving a compliment or winning a prize. In brief, to be chuffed means to feel a deep sense of contentment and happiness about something.